Chris from Sound Engineering chose 8 microphones of various pickup patterns for this recording.
That's sensitive, more sensitive, yeah. All right.
Shure SM58, Shure Beta 52A, Shure SM57, MXL 604, MXL 991, Sennheiser 416, Schoeps CCM 4 Parabolic, and the Crown PCC 160 will be recording on the Sound Devices Mix Pre 10. Chris arms and tunes each channel.
Yeah, I'm getting nice low. Yeah, that's it.
Chris is satisfied. Now we're ready to record the sound effects. These are the tools chosen to make sound effects. And these are the materials we use them on.
Okay, quiet on set.
Yeah,
That was a good one.
crack. That was number 9. Ooh, I
Yeah,
can feel
okay,
that
good
one. Oh, I'm liking that.
So I have lettuce and the other lettuce.
Okay, any more snapping? The rest is now going to be more towards flesh,
Yeah.
shredding flesh.
Stab it with that.
Just
Oh.
not stab it.
He wants you to play it like an instrument. Also, we can stab the other pieces. I'm going to chop this.
Just
I feel
don't-
pretty confident.
Just don't hit that mic.
Yeah. I'm going to put it right here.
All right.
Now, I'm going to hit it with the blunt end so you can get a sense of... Oh, my God. How'd that sound, though?
Yeah, good.
Okay.
Or squash inside dental pick.
What if I
So you got 3.
stab and then twist?
not directly on the blade, a little off on an angle so you don't
Like
dull on the blade.
Like this?
Yeah. Do it a smooth action.